Alright guys, so we were just setting up this stream. Let's check it out, see how it's doing. Alright, so just to give you guys an update on what exactly is happening. So I was on the Nexxt challenge account. I'm still I wanted to show you guys what exactly is happening. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna show you the trade that I'm currently in. It was a hectic week last week. Last week we took some losses, we took some wins, but I want to show you guys. What am I showing you first? All right, so this is the account. I'm going to go to the dashboard, show you guys what's going on. So we're basically nowhere because we took some L's last week. We're currently in drawdown. No, I don't think we're in drawdown. But this is what's happening. It's been 11 days since I've started the challenge. As I said, we have a lot of things going on right now. This is just the dashboard. But as you can see, we're up $577 right here on the MT4. Because we have a couple of trades running, which I will show you now. We have NZD Swiss, USD Swiss, and we have gold. We have gold running. So that's what's happening right now. That in regards to that challenge. Hopefully we can close this trade out. If all of these trades hit tonight, we will be closing out the funded account challenge, the first phase. This is a 15k challenge, and I did a small amount on the pro trader funds. I passed the first phase. Mind you, I started this challenge a while ago, but they were having some issues. I emailed them several times, and it just today the issues got resolved about 30 minutes ago. So we're on to phase 2 now of this challenge, which is pretty simple, pretty easy. And just to show you I'm not lying, this was the previous account. They closed it down, but I took a screenshot before they did. We hit $784, but as I said, this is no longer the account, because they move on to the second phase. We did the first phase already, and now we're in the second phase. So that's what we're looking to do. So let me begin some little breakdowns what I've been looking on for the past week. We had a lot of news, and sometimes when you're right and you just go against yourself. So I've been watching NZD USD for quite some time. It was in a very strong downtrend, as you guys can see. It was in a very strong downtrend, and it opened the channel. It came down here, and it basically came back down to here. And I was like, it's not trying to come all the way down here. It's gonna make its way back up. So I was watching. I think I drew a fib on it. Sorry, sometimes I delete my charts because sometimes I don't like how they look. And I was like, we're definitely in that 618 area of retracement. So I'm looking for buys. So I prematurely took some buys, which cost me, because I was following this trend line, and when I saw it break, they gave me a fake out right here. Lost that trade. Didn't enter back that trade, but I'm like, I know it's buys from now on. Came into this zone, faked me out, came back again, faked me out, and I was just like, I know it's gonna go up now, definitely. So what I did was I was very patient, still patient, and I saw this break and this retest. However, I'm looking for further confirmation of this zone. I want it to come back down to somewhere to this level, and then take it all the way up to the buy, to somewhere up here. Now I'm not currently in this trade, as you guys can see, because it doesn't have this red asterisk. When it has this red asterisk, it means that, you know, I'm interested, or I'm watching it, which I'm not currently watching it. I'm watching GBP USD because I know this market has been setting up for strong sells weeks now. And, you know, just to show you the reason why I say that is because we were in a strong buy for quite some time, and I was like, you know, once we break this level right here, it's game over. It came back, tested this previous zone twice. I think it tested it 4 times right here, and I was just saying, you know, once we break right here, it's coming all the way down. This is on the daily. So as you guys can see, I think I took numerous positions on this trade, but as I'm said, I'm carefully waiting for the break of this level right here to take all the way sales, which I think will happen between tomorrow and the end of the week. I haven't hopped in that as yet. GBP USD. This shouldn't be asterisk. I'm looking at GBP USD. By the way, I post all my setups on my TikTok, so if you guys want to watch that, you can do that. It's how to HFX on TikTok as well. I'll leave the link in the description. Just give me a second. Let's see if I can copy that link. Whenever I'm taking a setup, I always post it first on my TikTok. I don't know why I have that habit, but I do it. Yeah, so I just posted it in my TikTok, guys, so you guys can just check that out. As I said, the minute before I take the trade, I post on my TikTok. I don't know why, but yeah, back to what I was analyzing now. These are the 2 trades that I'm currently in right now. Now, let me just say the reason why I'm in this trade. I was looking at the daily, and I was like, market is in a strong downtrend. However, the trend kind of ended. I think it was 2 weeks ago, because I've been watching this for a while, and I'm like, all right, the market has ended. So what's going on? I've been watching in this strong bullish outcome, but I'm like, I know the correction was coming sooner or later. So it ran all the way up here with no form of correction. So I'm pretty sure that it's gonna correct for a short-term sell. So I took the sell. I'm currently in the sell. I'm not looking to be in it for very long. I'm just looking for 58 pips. As you guys can see, I'm in profit right now. What's that? The MT4? Yeah. As you guys can see, I'm in profit right now on that trade. Looking for short-term sell. This is another key area that I think it's gonna come to. If not, it probably push down to try to make a inverted head and shoulders pattern. But however, I know that it's short-term sells I'm looking for, because at the end of the day, the overall structure is bullish. It was bearish going down, but then it did not respect this previous low right here. It obliterated it. So I think it's going to come back up here, come somewhere down here, test this level, or it's going to bounce off of this area of support right here and make its way back all the way up to here. So I know it's just short-term sells. The next confirmation that I was looking for was, we had an M pattern right here. Not sure if you guys can see it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we had a break of that M pattern, which is the middle piece right here, and they gave us a clean retest. I was supposed to enter this trade right here, but I did not, because I didn't see it. I caught it late. I saw that it came back up here and retested this little area right here, which is like a little break and retest again, and then, you know, it came back down. It doesn't look as clean on the 4 hour, but if I should move down to the 15 minute, you'll see what I'm talking about. So you see what I'm talking on the 15 minute. So it looks a little different than the 15 minute, but if you look, see, break, retest, and then this is the area we're talking about where it gave us this clean break and retest. So I figured that it was gonna come all the way down. I didn't catch it cleanly because again I was late. I missed my alerts. I was sleeping a lot today. So what I did was I entered right here because I know that, hey, the market momentum has changed. It's not going up anymore. It's giving us a little correction. So I put my stops right above here, which is 26 pips, because I know that, hey, if we definitely pass this level right here, where the momentum has changed, it's going to go up to all the way back up to here because of, as I said, overall the market is in a bullish, transition. Right now it's just doing a little correction, retracement I should say, a little retracement, and then it's going to make all its way back up. So I'm still predicting sales for this market until we reach either here or here. Now the other trade I'm in this NZD SHREF, and that's because I was in it from last week. I believe I caught it right here. The market opened this week where you see this this giant green candle right here started this week. We went into drawdown. I believe I've been up 800, 700, 900 of this trade numerous times. We're almost back at the peak. But, that's what has been happening. I'm just being very patient because I know that, hey, we're in a bullish trend. Now, the reason why I said that we're in a bullish trend is because I always look at the structure of the market. Right? Now, market has been in a strong sales for a long time. And now we see that, market's in a bearish. However, if we should look closely right here, we see that market, this was the last previous zone. Market came, retest, came back down, broke this zone, came back, giving us a little, testing this area right here, giving us a little test. And then we're going to predict it to go all the way up here. So the momentum has changed because it broke these previous lows. So I'm like, all right, market is changed. It's going to go in a bullish trend right now. So that's what I'm looking for, to take these buys all the way up to here, close out this challenge phase. Yeah, I think we have something else here. Yeah. So I'm in this goal setup as well. I saw this earlier today and I wanted to confirm. I needed confirmations. Basically, I drew these levels on the daily and I was like, all right, market is in a downtrend. And I saw right here where we got to this area of support and we got, this pin bar right here, doji pin bar. And then I was like, all right, market is gonna go up. Then I'm seeing that we had this next previous area of support right here. We broke through with this bullish candle. Then it came back down, giving us a pin bar candle again. And that's the next indication for me to say, hey, this market is going up. Pin bar candle again, area of support. I'll take this trade any day of the week. So what I did was I placed my stops right below the pin bar, and I'm looking for a strong bullish move to the upside to all the way up to this trend line. However, I'm not going to hold for that long because, as you can see, there's some form of previous support right here as well. That should close up my second challenge phase. That's it for me, guys. I don't think I have anything else. I'll give you an update tomorrow to let you guys know how the trades went. I'm hoping to close all the challenge accounts by this week. Yeah, this is my third time attempting a challenge account. I've never done it before, but people say you kind of use it to as a vehicle to, what's this say, to refine your trading in a way. When you do challenge accounts, it gives you discipline. Like it trains you how to be disciplined because you have stops that you have to definitely work with. You have to put in a stop loss, you have to put in a take profit, and just to set our rules, you have a maximum loss you can't over leverage, so I think that's what it is that really makes people attempt these things. But I'll give you an update, guys, tomorrow. That's gonna be it for me for the stream. Thank you so much for watching.